Good morning, class. In this video, we will see the advances of our STEM project. It means our model or prototype about dynamics. I will explain a short introduction about this prototype. First of all, the model is based on a box. This model is divided into lanes. In each lane, a spring will be used, but each will have different spring force exerted on the object. Another important thing is that each lane there will be a ramp at some distance. The object is calculate the force that the object needs to go up the ramp. Another important thing that we want to show them is when the object of go up the ramp, its acceleration change because his velocity is affected when the object go up the ramp. The object will need a greater force for go up, because if it has a less force, consequently the object won't go up the ramp.
Well, this is a little explanation about our model. Well, in this model, we can see the length of the base, which has a measurement of 0.75 meters, and the width of the model that has 0.5 meters. The little space with the little arrows, this, are the space where the ball is going to up to the ramp. The measurement of the little space is 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 4 centimeters. Each of these spaces has a little doors with a measurement of 12 centimeters. This is the image. In this door, it contains a little circle like this, where the springs are located. So, and what about the ramp? The ramp will have an inclination about the 30 degrees and a length of 0.25 meters. With this ramp, we can prove the velocity that the object needs to go up. That will be the maximum velocity that it can obtain with the sprint and the force that needed to go up to the ramp.
Materials. For this project we will use several materials such as wood, a little ball, springs, ramp, hacksaw, glue, papers, markers, and pencils. The first one and the second one are the wood and the ball. The wood is where we develop our project, and is where the ball will pass until it reaches the ramp. It is the base of our project. The second one is the ball, and it is which we want to show our project and will be pushed by the springs. The springs will be used to give an impulse to the ball, and the ramp has an angle of 30 degrees and is used for the ball with the impulse that leads try to rise it. The next one is the hacksaw. It is used to cut the wood, and the glue is to hold together several pieces of wood or the springs in the wood. The next one is the papers. It's used to create the prototype of our project, and the next one is the markers. That is, it was used to put marks in the wood and can cut that with the hacksaw. And the last one are the pencil that I used to make the prototype in the papers.
The brain is going well. Only we have to do specific things, for example, cut the wood correctly and paint the wood, because all the measurements already were done. Only we need to just do the aesthetic things for obtain the perfect work for this project.
In this project, we had several difficulties, for example, in the measurements of the materials, and also to find several materials like the hacksaw. And my job was create a prototype to can demonstrate the dynamics.
In our project, we have different difficulties because we don't have some materials. And my job in this project is create the design of our project. Also, I will search the way in which the objects it will can move through the wood.